Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Sign with Foluke. If you're just new on this channel, you're highly welcome. This is a place where learning sign language is made easy and inclusive. So, on today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to sign some simple sentences with pronouns and family related words. Let's get started. Now, the first one, this is my mother. This is my mother. This is my mother. My brother is coming. My brother is coming. My brother is coming. I love my family. I love my family. I love my family. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. I have a book there. I have a book there. So you're pointing at where you have the book. I have a book there. Come and see my sister. Come and see my sister. Come and see my sister. Are these your cousins? Are these your cousins? Are these your cousins? So these are the few signs we are going to take today. And if you learned something, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn your notification button for more learning videos. See you in my next video. Keep learning, keep signing. Bye.